So this is 6.3, number 25. I told you go ahead and use a calculator on this. I will show you don't have to use a calculator. I just did that so you get practice on your calculator. But if you were to graph this on your calculator, you would get this function here. They tell you from -1 to 1, so we start -1, end at 1, and there's our region, and y = 0 is the x-axis. So we're rotating that, and they told us around the x-axis. So my axis of rotation, let me put it in here. There's my axis of rotation, y = 0. So let's start spinning this thing around, and let's do this. So I will make green ones again. No, stop doing that. It is making fun of my ovals. There we go. That is beautiful. Can I copy and paste that? Can I? Why won't it let me paste? Nope. It won't let me paste that. I don't know why. Copy. Nope. No can do. I guess I just have to do them individually. And then there's another one over here. Look at that. And then in the middle, there's a bigger one. Ooh, I feel pretty skilled right now. Whoa, slingshot. Why is it doing weird stuff? Okay, so that's what's kind of going on. I'm just giving you 3 slices out of an infinite number of slices. And let me redraw my axis of rotation. Bam. So what am I doing? To get the volume, I have to add up all the disks all the way across. Integration adds up a bunch of stuff. And it's from -1 to 1, because that's what they told us. And what's the volume of a disk? Pi r squared. And the thickness in this case is dx. I can handle that. Okay, what's my r? So r changes throughout this. So it's going to be a function. And r, we'll draw here, r is going to be big Y minus small y. Big Y is the actual function. It's going to be here. Minus small y, but small y is 0 because that's the x-axis. Bam! Check this out. -1 to 1. I'm going to pull the pi out in front. Now we have 1 over square root 1 minus x squared squared dx. But the square root and square are going to cancel and leave me with that. Is it a minus or plus? It's a plus. Plus. Now, at this point, you just throw that in your calculator because I told you can use your calculator. But if you chose not to, you'd have to remember that the antiderivative of this is arctan. You'd have to remember that, and you should know that. So we will have arctan of 1 minus pi arctan of -1. And what angle has a tangent of 1? It's a pi over 4. It's 45 degrees, so it's pi over 4 minus pi. What angle has a tangent of -1? That's in the 4th quadrant. That's negative pi over 4. So you have pi squared over 4 plus pi squared over 4 is 2 pi squared over 4, which is pi squared over 2. Again, this was calculator, but I decided to give you the bonus of working it out. Pi squared over 2, and that is problem number 25.